Can you tell if somebody is recording your Zoom call? Yes, you can absolutely tell when someone is trying to or recording your Zoom call. Whenever a recording is initiated using Zoom's internal tool, a clear red blinking circle will literally appear in the top left corner right here and the interface labeled recording. So if somebody is recording the meeting, it will all be shown on the screen right here. So in here, another thing that you would notice is audio warning. So if an automated video prompt will state that this meeting is being recorded upon every entry or when the recording starts. So if you enter your Zoom meeting, then the audio will automatically state that this Zoom meeting is being recorded. So yeah, that is it. But in here you have to remember, if they are using an external device like using other phone and recording the recording the meeting through that other device, then you won't actually be tell if they are recording or not, unless if they are doing through the Zoom application itself, then you'll be able to tell. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.